Welcome to agcareers.com, the #1 online job board for the agriculture and food industry. We're excited to tell you a little bit about what we do and how we can help you find an internship or rewarding first career in agriculture. Through our easy-to-use job board, we feature many career opportunities that are available in the industry from employers across North America and beyond. Visit www.agcareers.com to get started. On the homepage, you can begin your journey by simply conducting a search using a keyword or location. From there, you'll be provided a list of results that match your criteria. Click on the titles of jobs that match your interests to learn more. If you'd like to apply, simply hit the Apply to this position button and then follow the prompts to complete the application. Keep in mind that some employers will redirect you to their websites to complete the process. Pretty easy, right? We highly encourage you to create a profile. Visit the candidate menu at the top of the page and select Set up your profile from the drop-down menu. Complete the quick form. You will have the opportunity to include your resume in our resume database. This is a great idea so that employers can seek you out. While you don't need an account to apply, an account gives you added features and benefits such as job search agents, application history, and more. You'll find a wealth of internship opportunities on agcareers.com compiled in one place. You can easily browse available internships by selecting Internships from the Candidate drop-down menu. While jobs are our thing, agcareers.com also prides ourselves on the wealth of valuable knowledge and resources we make available to help candidates prep, practice, and prepare for career success. Spend some time browsing through the agcareers.com resources. Don't know exactly what you want to do yet? Browse agcareers.com's 250 agriculture and food career profiles. Need help writing a resume or practicing for an interview? agcareers.com has hundreds of articles in our newsletter archives. Want to learn more about employers within the agriculture and food industry? Check out the elite employers participating in this year's Ag and Food Career Guide. Bonus tip, there are a bunch of helpful articles for career preparation and career success in there too. agcareers.com is here to help you. Don't hesitate to connect with us on social media or email agcareers@agcareers.com with any questions you may have about how to use our site. We wish you the best of luck as you set out on your journey to find a great career or internship in agriculture and food.